Oh wow, the Jolly Roger Barney tractor kiddie ride.
Please connect your card or mobile phone. Authorizing.
You're my special friend.
Oh wow, I hate this kiddie ride so much. I think I might get on this actually. Oh, man. Made by Jolly Roger in under license from Hit Entertainment. And I think it's Hit Entertainment. This replaced the E-Spot Bumblebee kiddie ride.
That was great.
Kind of fitting this a bit. Yeah, it's like similar to Troy the Tractor, because the tractor have a face in this kiddie ride.
You're my special friend.
I can't believe they replaced E-Spot Bumblebee with this. Oh well. At least it looks cool though, but since it's a tractor kiddie ride, but there we go. And that was the Barney's Tractor Kiddie Ride by Jolly Roger, sighted at Morrison's in Preston, sorry.